this proof of trigonometric identities problem. Square root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A equal to secant A plus tan A. So left hand side equal to 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. Right hand side equal to secant A plus tan A. So we are going to start from left hand side, and so we are going to take square root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. So what we are going to do is we are going to take this as such 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A, and we have to multiply this with 1 minus sin A both the numerator and denominator. Sorry, this is 1 plus sin A, no? So we have to multiply with 1 plus sin A both the numerator and denominator. And what is that is there in the denominator? You should use the opposite sign. That is 1 minus sin A is there. So you have to multiply with 1 plus sin A. So what you will get, you will get square root of 1 plus sin A the whole square, yes, by, this is again of the form a minus b into a plus b, that is equal to a minus b into a plus b equal to, you will get a square minus b square. This identity is very, very important identity in this, right? So what will get 1 square minus sine square a. 1 square is 1 minus sine square a. We know that sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, right? So using that, what I am going to take is 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. So square root of 1 plus sine A the whole square by cos square A by cos square A. And if you take the square root, that's square and root will go. So you will get 1 plus sine A by cos A. 1 plus sin A by cos A. Cos square A will become cos A. 1 plus sin A the whole square will become 1 plus sin A. This can be written as 1 by sin A, 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. What is 1 by cos A? Secant A plus sin A by cos A is tan A, which is nothing but your right hand side. So LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. So going to the next problem, sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta. So what we have to do is we have to take sin theta from, we are going to start with the same thing, left hand side. So sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. Now from the denominator I am going to take sin theta out. When I take sin theta out, it will become 1 minus 2 sin square theta will come. In the same way, I should have to take cos theta out from here, the denominator. When I take cos square theta, this 2 will be there, cube will become square. 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. See, from this we are taking sin theta out. When you take sin theta, this will become 1 and this will become sin square theta. You have to take cos theta out. When you take cos theta, this cos cube theta will become cos square theta. This will become 1, right? Now, so what I will get equal to, now what I have to do is this sin square theta, I'm going to write it as, you may know that cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1, right? And what I am going to write is sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. That is what I am going to write it over here. So what I am going to do is 1 sin theta is there as such into 1 minus 2, instead of this sine square theta, I am going to write 1 minus cos square theta. So this bracket should be like this in the beginning also, by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1, right? Now equal to sin theta into 1 minus, multiply 2 ones are 2, minus 2 into cos square theta is minus into minus, this minus into minus will become plus, plus 2 cos square theta by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. See, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, right? So I'm going to write sin theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1 by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. So this 2 cos square theta minus 1, 2 cos square theta minus 1 will get cancelled. Sin theta by cos theta will become tan theta. This is nothing but this is your RHS. So left hand side equal to right hand side, hence proved. Now going to the next problem. Sin A plus cosecant A the whole square plus cos A plus secant A the whole square equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cos B. It's a very interesting problem. Take left hand side, sin A plus cosecant A the whole square plus cos A plus secant A the whole square. I am going to apply the rule, apply the identity A plus B the whole square equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. That is what I am going to apply. Equal to sin square A plus 2 sin A cosecant A plus cosecant square A plus cos square A plus 2 cos A secant A plus secant square A. Now what I'm going to do is this sin square A, no, sin square A and cos square A I'm going to write together. Sin square A plus cos square A. This 2 sin A cosecant A I'm going to write 2 into sin A into this cosecant A I'm going to write 1 by sin A. Right? This cosecant square A I am going to write like, see this cosecant square A I am going to write like cosecant square A I am going to write like 1 plus cot square A. Cosecant square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Next plus this 2 cos A into secant A I am going to write 1 by cos A. This tan square A, secant square A, no, the secant square A is there, no, that I am going to write 1 plus tan square A. Now, going to this, sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So, I want you to know that this together, this together will become 1, okay, plus this sin A will get cancelled, so you will get 2 plus 1 plus cot square A plus cos A will get cancelled 2 plus 1 plus tan square A, right? Now you see what is the number 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A, which is your right hand side, left hand side equal to right hand side, hence proved. Going to the next problem. Cosecant A minus sin A, secant A minus cos A equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. This is a very easy problem. Cosecant A, first we are going to take left hand side. Cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A. Now what you have to do, cosecant A can be written as 1 by sin A minus sin A into secant A can be written as 1 by cos A minus cos A. You have to take LCM. So sin A is your LCM. What you will get? 1 minus sin square A. Here, what is the LCM? Cos A is your LCM. 1 minus cos square A. What is 1 minus sin square A is? Cos square A by sin A. So we are using cos square A plus sin square A equal to 1. So 1 minus sin square A is cos square A, 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. So into sin square A by cos A. So this cos A and this cos A will get cancelled. This sin A will get cancelled. You will get cos A sin A. This is for your left hand side. Now I am going to take that right hand side. Right hand side is what? So right hand side is 1 by tan A plus cot A. What I am going to do? That is equal to 1 by sin A by cos A plus cos A by sin A. Tan A is sin A by cos A, cot A is cos A. Now take LCM for this 1 by, this will be the LCM. What is the LCM? Sin A cos A be the LCM. So cross multiply sin square A plus cos square A. This will become 1 and this will become 1 and this will become equal to 1 by sin A cos A. What you will get? The sin A cos A will go up, so you will get sin A cos A. Now you see both the left hand side, you see the left hand side and right hand side is sin A cos A. Hence we are going to write left hand side equal to right hand side, hence proved. Yes. Within that I will stop and the remaining problem.